Hello, today we are going to start making Christmas ornaments, and this will be in two videos. In these videos, I'll make ornaments with scalloped border, and the other will be border which is pointed. So I made these laser cut files, and you can see the border of this ornament is smooth, and I use my snowflakes to build this design, and then simple snowflakes to work with. So today I'm going to work on one of the design. In the next video there will be another design, and these two unique ornaments are available for free from my Creative Fabrica store. So you can go, the link will be in the description, and you can go to Creative Fabrica, go to my store and download these files for free. We will start building our snowflake. In my another video I made a snowflake like that with the scallop borders. Now I want pointed borders. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up my guides. This is my 5x5 inch box, and these are the guides from Illustrator. So I will know that my Christmas ornament is right in the 4x4 inch area. So for that, what I'm going to do to make decorated and beautiful border, this time I want pointed border. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply make geometrical shape. I will show the grid, and I will also allow the snapping, snap to grid, allow that, and change it, the color of the stroke, just make it black maybe, and choose pen tool. I'm going to build a shape very quickly like this. Everything is snapping, so I know this is a symmetrical shape, and I build it quickly. Now I will stop the snapping, and I will select everything, change from fill to stroke, bring the size down of this design, take it to the edge of the 4x4 inch box, and what I want is that I just want to make this little taller. Now select everything, align to the center of the artboard by going to align and horizontal align center. Everything is in the center, and I will just hide the grid. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a point right in the middle so I can rotate this shape around that rotation, center of rotation. So for that, I'm going to select pen tool, just put a point right there, let it go with the selection tool, and I'm going to select this point and align to artboard again, and horizontal align and vertical align center. So this puts the point right in the middle of the artboard. Now I'm going to select both of those, check the alignment, group these two different entities, and I want this shape to go around this center of rotation. For that, I'm going to go to effect, distort and transform. Now this box is represented here. Now it is telling me to choose the center of rotation. This will be my center of rotation, and I'm just going to select angle 10, maybe 30 copies. Let's see what happens. Oh, very nice. This is looking good, but we are missing some copies, so I'll make it 40 maybe. Now this is a nice border. Simply I'm going to select OK, select everything, object, expand appearance, unite from Pathfinder. Now the shape is united, and I'll choose a lighter color so you can see the detail, and I'm just going to hide my guides so you can see. Now what we are going to do is select ellipse and maybe turn on the guides, hold shift and alt, make a perfect ellipse by dragging the mouse and making it to go over. Like if I change the transparency, you can see this ellipse, and change the color, is now in the solid part of the design. So that's good. carefully I will align both of those. Aligned to artboard, you can see that this circle is right in the middle, and I will just select everything, object, expand, unite. Now I have this beautiful border around my ornament. I'll just change the color. Now I want to cut through this ornament so I can put a snowflake. So for that I'm going to choose ellipse again and choose the different color. Now this will define the thickness of the border of the ornament, so I will be happy if it is this big. So I'll select both of those and align them right in the middle of the artboard by choosing align to artboard and selecting both of those and using minus front. Now, so this is the border. I think this is slightly thinner, so I will just undo, make it a smaller circle because I'm using this as to cut through this design. And again, alignment, check the alignment, select both of those, minus front. So this is ready. Now I'm going to bring my snowflake. I want to choose the same snowflake, Control C, Control V, and I will bring down the size. Maybe I'll choose a different snowflake which goes with this, maybe this one. This goes with this pointy shapes, and bring that size down. And I build all these snowflakes in my other videos, so you can follow how to build these snowflakes and then use them to make Christmas ornaments. I will just choose it and align it to the middle of the artboard and bring the size up so it is touching this border, and the joint will be nice when they are fused together. So I'm going to select again, check the alignment and go to object, expand, unite. So this snowflake is ready, and I'll just make the hanging part with choosing round rectangle tool like that, or let's make a more geometrical looking part. So I'm going to choose rectangle tool instead, and I'll just make it a rectangle, and I will just check the alignment that is right in the middle of the center, and then I will just make it another triangle. For that I'll choose polygonal tool, and I'll just click once, choose 3 sides, 3. Okay, and now this I just want to put it here and reduce the size. Let's see how our design is coming along, and I want to change from fill to stroke, increase the number of size of stroke to maybe 9. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to object, expand and unite it. Now you can see everything is right in the middle of center, but there are these hanging corners hanging out. So for that I'm going to simply erase them. Choose eraser, just choose this object, erase, bring it in the bounds of the solid design. There you go. Now this design have a completely different look. It is more geometrical. Now I'm going to again select everything, align to artboard, align everything to the center, select everything, object, expand and unite. So this is more geometrical looking snowflake ornament, which is now complete with lots of repeating triangles.